Y-O YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about some different flavors that got sent to me from Econotransfers while I was out to the Made to Hustle event. If you guys didn't see any of the Made to Hustle content, check out Instagram, check out Sugar Baby and Company. Also, check out Sisterhood Designs. I also interviewed them when I was at the Made to Hustle event. Hopefully we get them on the Squad Creative Podcast pretty soon. But if you guys are ready, let's grit. Hey.
You staying late?
So I had the pleasure of meeting James from Econotransfers, I believe in 2021 at the Atlantic Impressions Expo. If that's not the first time, James, please drop a comment. I believe that's when we met. We had formerly talked on the phone a couple of times, and you had been on the show, Squad Creative Podcast. By the way, if you guys haven't caught it, head on over to TSH Network and tap in. Pick up these gems. We just had one that just aired recently this week. But in our meeting, we had spoke about different things, different products, and, you know, how I use them practically on every job that I do here at the shop. James always sends the vinyl with handwritten notes. And you could tell he takes thought and pride into what it is that he's producing out here to us. And he does that by his overall contact he keeps with us and these personalized notes. So I'm going to read one of them to you guys. I never read any of the notes that he sent me on camera. Econotransfers headliner, of course. Mike, it was great to see you and your wife in Fort Worth over the weekend. As it always is. A little stumblage, okay? I wish we would have had more time to hang out and chat. But I know that I will see you again very soon in coming months. True that is. We put together a package of some of our new unreleased products for you to get a first look at. This package includes the following: eggplant, Econoflock apple green, Econo V sun yellow, Econo V espresso, we're actually going to do a Grizzly VIBES shirt on one of my sands. And I'm going to use that apple green flock and maybe a yellow. I'm not too sure. On this blue gilding that you guys have seen in the intro. So let's hop into it, man. What we all came here for. So it's actually been a couple of days since I shot the first half of that video. And I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up doing with the apple green flock from Econo. This is the eggplant. This is a magenta. And they didn't just send this to me. I've actually had it for a while. But as you can see, magenta. I use this for bring out a little bit more pop in between the yellow, this magenta, and this green. I haven't had the chance to use the eggplant yet. This right here is a wedding runner that I have to sublimate on. Okay, but back to the video. The two shirts that I did. Nurses, Vibes Only. You can see the apple green flock. It's lovely. Just some thoughts on the flock. I'd like to see some more neon colors as far as the flock go. James, if you guys could. And maybe like an ombre pattern over the flock or some sort of a rainbow pattern over this flock. I can see that being a real major hit. This is that sun yellow from Econo V. And once again, that's that magenta. That's one shirt, and here's another one. Here's the one that I wanted to actually press on camera, and it says Grizzly Vibes Only. Grizzly, once again, in that apple green flock. The Vibes in that holographic magenta, and only in that sun yellow. And since I didn't do the whole video that day, I'm just gonna bring out some more flavors that you guys can cop from Econotransfer. And if you're feeling any part of this content, please hit that applause button, or, you know, just show up, hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that we are rocking with each other. But on to some more flavors that you guys need to have in your arsenal. Sun yellow, regular yellow. Trust me, Pittsburgh Steelers fans, they love this colorway right here. Head on over to Econo, get it. It's Econo V yellow, and it's a worn peel. But see the difference? Next. Brown, but they also have tan, and I like to use the tan for skin colors, particularly because it makes it more 3D when you are using vinyl. And brown's just about brown skinned everything, or Cleveland Browns. Let's go. Neon green, very, very, very popular during the summer months. I've had some Miami vibes type things that I had to use this neon green for, as well as this aqua blue. Now, both of these are Econo V as well. Make sure you head on over, use the links down in the description below. And yes, their rolls come. So 20 by 27. Head on over to Econo. More colors, you say? The original purple, Econo V, and the original green. Now, I like to call this Gucci green. Both are Econo V, but you see where I'm going. I could keep doing this for about a good 2 to 3 hours. One of my #1 flavors in here, and this isn't a solid color. As a matter of fact, this is a different material altogether. This is Econo Multi-Galaxy Stripe, aka holographic, but it's very flex. So the cut and the weeding, weeds like butter, baby. But this is one of my #1 sellers in the shop. You could put this pattern literally with anything and it will make it pop. Red and gold. Now, red's always a popular color, and this is Econo V. And gold is definitely a popular color, especially with graduation just passing, funerals, weddings, all sorts of things, guys. The sky's the limit when it comes to having it. Now, the reason you guys may be asking, why does he have so many different flavors of Econo V? Well, Econo V just happens to be my favorite to go to vinyl to work with. I love their patterns. I love the way that it adheres to the garment. I don't have any issues, and I've been able to do pretty decent work. Usually there's a big roll of white, which I don't feel like lifting, but it's the same size as Econo V. They also have glow in the dark. They also got a wide variety of different flavors, patterns, colors. Head on over to Econotransfers right now. Use the links in the description below. It has no additional charge to you guys. So whenever, let's say you guys use my affiliate link down below and you decide to purchase yourself a roll using my affiliate link, I'll make a couple of dollars on the roll. Not very major or life-changing, but it just helps and it contributes to the channel growing. Yo, this is the end of this video. And it's a different camera angle, I know. But out.